Hey everyone, it's Andy here from the Art Lab. Today I'm going to be looking at resurrecting a resin dirty pour painting that I did and bringing it back from the dead. I wasn't too happy with it, so I'm going to be using some alcohol ink. Some of these are from Temu, some of them are Panada, along with this trusty little air ball here, which I'm going to be using to push that alcohol ink around. So here's my resin art piece. Now this makes a fantastic surface for putting alcohol ink onto because it's not absorbing it, and I can push it around with that slippery surface along with some isopropyl alcohol and the alcohol ink to make a truly spectacular pattern. Once I had this artwork level, then it was on to applying the alcohol ink. So first off I went and applied alcohol ink around the whole artwork and used my air pusher instead of using a hairdryer, which can sometimes I find have too much force. Then I've started to use this little air pusher here to push some air around along with the alcohol ink and a bit of isopropyl alcohol. So sped this process up, so time to sit back, relax and enjoy as I go through applying alcohol ink to an old resin artwork. So the alcohol's all dry now, and I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. It's really changed it from quite a boring resin art piece into something which has got a lot more colour and flair and vibrancy. I really like the accents of the gold alcohol ink along with the bronze. Next step would be to seal this either with some clear resin or using some acrylic clear spray. Thanks very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, keep creative.